Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Ready, set. You already know what it is. You already know what today is about. You see in my title, Boxycharm, baby. We got our Boxycharm, we got our Boxycharm, we got our Boxycharm box for January. I wish y'all could see how Bear is looking at me. And he like, what is wrong with her? Okay, so this month's Boxycharm, I feel like it's more of skincare related, and I'm okay with that because your girl needs more skincare. Like, I will prefer skincare over makeup any day because that comes first. You want a smooth canvas before putting on any makeup. All right, so the first product, wait, pause. Before we go any further,
subscribe.
Bro, subscribe. Ain't that hard to do. All you gotta do is click the button, okay? Now let's get into our review. So the first product we have is Pretty Vulgar. It's an undercover concealer, and I actually am wearing it. Bear, what you doing? So it is an undercover concealer, and I do have it on at the moment. I have it under my eyes, forehead, and it's really nice. It kind of just melts into the skin. I'm gonna do a swatch for y'all. Like, it is so nice. Let's see. Y'all see that? So nice. So it is a lightweight gel concealer. It's really hydrating and it's buildable. Y'all, like, I was blending it. I'm like, where'd it go? It looks really good. Like, I really love it. I give it 5 stars. And the price of this is $25. It seems like the price range of concealers. Before I go any further, if y'all see me looking down, I'm reading the card that they sent me. But it's infused with vitamin E, and it helps brighten any dark circles. You know, kind of the same things that concealers do. But this one, I feel like I really do like it. It's really nice. And I like how it doesn't feel like it's all cakey and thick under my eyes. Okay, second product that they sent me was Dr. Brandt. This is like the second product that they've sent me by this brand, and it is a 24/7 retinol eye cream with ruby crystal complex. Now, since it is a retinol cream, I probably wouldn't use it every single day because then you're gonna start burning, itching, getting irritated because this stuff is strong. It's strong. So I'm pretty sure this is really good with hydrating under the eyes. Oh, here's what it says. It says illuminates the eye contour, helps smooth away lines, helps reduce moisture loss. So, you know, regardless of if you are oily or dry, the most driest part of our skin is under our eyes. So you want to make sure you keep it hydrated, because if it stays dry, then you're going to form wrinkles, fine lines, and you don't want all of that. So that's the importance of having an eye cream. And even if we are like in our 20s, it's really good to keep up with your skincare, because even me, like, I have smile lines, I have under eye lines. So like, I keep up with it just so it doesn't get out of control. The price of this one is $55, which is expected. Okay, and now we have Skinroma. So this is like an exfoliant for the face. And if you don't know, you're supposed to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. It has black truffle extract. It's an anti-aging, antioxidant powerhouse ingredient because of its ability to protect against free radical damage. They have a couple of really good ingredients in here. Then it helps with the loss of moisture and appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So honestly, pairing these two together is bomb. But don't get too close to your eyes, because that's the thinnest part of the skin as well, and you can really irritate it bad. Especially with that retinol, please be careful. So I'm actually really excited to try this. Like, I feel like this is really nice. So from reading the description, it seems like it's not as textured. It's very gentle. And although it's very gentle, I would still say just do it 2 to 3 times a week to be on the safe side. Okay, and the price of this one is $28. Next product is Avant Skincare. So this is a sleeping mask, which is really nice. It works good for 8 hours. It says you don't need to wash it off either, but let me read the card so that y'all know what it is. The 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. So maybe this month is more of a like anti-aging month for Boxycharm. That's what I'm getting. But the price of that one, oh my God. The price of that one is $107 for that small bottle. It better work good too. It better work real good. All right, and then the last product we got is Queen Studio. It's a matte lipstick. Ooh, this is the color, this is the packaging, really cute. So not really into matte lipsticks anymore, but definitely this could go in my kit. Every time they send me a lipstick, I just throw it in my kit because I'm like, I don't really wear lipstick, but you know, this might change the game up, you never know. So here's a swatch. The crazy thing is I haven't done a swatch of it yet. It's cool, it's too peachy for me. I'll try it. Never know until I try. I might love it. So maybe I should hold off on saying I'm gonna throw it in the kit. LOL. See, the price of this one is $17. But let me read the description off of the card to you guys as well. If you're a full coverage enthusiast, this matte liquid lip satin is your superhero. Our extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in one coat with 12-hour performance. So this stuff stays on for a good amount of time. Sounds like lip stain to me, but I think lip stain stays on a lot longer. Haven't really tried lip stain before. All right, you guys, and that is my review for this month's Boxycharm. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all got some good insight and knowledge on the product that I've gotten. But please make sure to like, comment, and
subscribe.
Please. All right, you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.